Hi, it's meteorologist Joe Fury in the Storm Team 8 Weather Center. Well, yeah, we talked about it early last week, how, the landscape, no leaves on the trees, but what would it look like the middle and end of this week? And sure enough, it's, looking like the middle of May out there. Pollen count sky high. The fire danger high. Matter of fact, we are abnormally dry right now. For many towns in the state, half an inch or less of rain so far this month. And we're pressing on for the 20th of April. So, the big question is, a lot of you were at the beach last week, early start to summer. Now the question is, are we going to, get into one of those weather patterns where it's cloudy a lot and it's cool and wet as we go into May? Keep in mind, May is the wettest month of the year. Or is summer going to keep coming back at us? Because there's plenty of summer to our south. So the bottom line is the North Atlantic Oscillation, that big blocking pattern up into Greenland, that forces the cooler air down. So we'll have to see as we move along here how things look. I will tell you, it's kind of looking like what it was last year. The storms with the rain, they get close, but they miss us. So this is the time of year we need to pick up the rain. And, well, at the moment, no signs of the Connecticut River flooding. It got close. That would be the second year in a row it's not flooding. All right. We, had temperatures that were down in the 30s. To start, even below the freezing mark in some spots early on Wednesday, and then high temperature just 53 at Bradley. The average high for this time of year is actually closer to 63 degrees. So today was well below average, and the clouds didn't seem to want to get out of the way. 57 at New Haven, 58 Sikorsky, 57 at New London. So we're starting in the 30s in most spots early tomorrow morning. What's interesting is a little weak boundary moving by that will have clouds as well to start. So we'll see, if it's clear, we're going to be down in the 30s, but if it's not, we could, be closer to 40 or in the 40s. Could be a scattered sprinkle or shower tomorrow morning. Then sunny in the afternoon. Temperature is 65 to 70 inland, close to 60 at the coast. Sea breeze is going to get you guys at the coast the next couple of days. The water temperature is about 52, so classic spring as, it's in the 50s tomorrow evening. Friday, start in the 40s. Friday's a nice, sunny, beautiful day. 75 to 80 inland, closer to 60 at the coast. That'll be a big temperature differential between the beaches and inland. So what's kind of interesting right now is that we talk 75 to 80, and we're like, well, okay, that's pretty good. But after having 90s, it doesn't seem like 75 to 80 is all that warm, but it is. And then Saturday, 70 to 75 inland, 60 to 65 at the coast. Cloudy, breezy, a little more humidity. The rain rolls in Saturday evening. Saturday night, the bulk of the rain may very well be Saturday night, early Sunday morning, and then improving weather Sunday afternoon. So let's see if we can do that. A wet Sunday morning followed by a little sun trying to come out Sunday afternoon. That could be a quick hitting half an inch or so of rain. So at the moment, it doesn't look like a huge amount, but we'll see. 30s to start your Thursday. We'll call it partly sunny, light wind, pleasant. Highs in the 60s for the most part on Thursday. 70s on Friday, sunny, delightful day with, again, if you're right at the Southeast Beach, Friday's one of these days where it could be 60 at the Southeast beaches and 80 inland. And then Saturday, we're cloudy, breezy, a little more humid. Bulk of the day is dry during the daylight hours on Saturday. Rain rolls in during the evening around sunset time. And then rain to start Sunday, followed by some afternoon sun. And then next week, temperatures will be cooling back down a little bit like what we had the last couple of days coming up early next week. So we have a storm to our south middle of next week. We'll see if it comes up or stays away. All right, we can't keep them away. Gil, first thing on a Thursday morning with the very latest update. Hope you're feeling well. Bye.